Most people slow down as they age, but not you. If you're between 45 and 70 and still do these 7 things, congratulations, you're a rare gem. You're living proof that age is just a number and your mindset is what truly keeps you young. Stick around until the end, because number 1 on this list is something only a select few still do. Segment. Countdown from number 7 to number 1. Number 7. You stay curious and keep learning. While many people get stuck in their ways, you keep your mind sharp. Maybe you're learning a new language, picking up an instrument, or staying updated with the latest technology. That's a rare and powerful trait. Chapter 6. You prioritize your health. Let's be real, many people give up on fitness after 40, but not you. Whether it's a daily walk, a gym routine, or simply mindful eating, you know that taking care of your body is key to a vibrant life. Chapter 5. You embrace change. Change is scary for most people, but you've mastered the art of adaptation. Whether it's career shifts, lifestyle changes, or new technology, you roll with the punches and thrive. Just 4. You stay social and build strong relationships. Loneliness is a silent killer, but you understand the importance of meaningful connections. You invest in friendships, family, and even new relationships, keeping your heart full and your mind sharp. So 3. You set new goals and dream big. Retirement doesn't mean sitting around. You keep setting new goals, chasing dreams, and proving that ambition doesn't fade with age. So 2. You have a great sense of humor. Aging isn't always easy, but you take life with a smile. You laugh often, enjoy the little things, and don't take yourself too seriously. That's a rare superpower. Number 1. You refuse to let society define you. This is what sets you apart. You don't let age define what you can or can't do. You prove that passion, excitement, and growth never expire, and that makes you a rare gem. Which of these 7 things do you still do? Comment below. And if you know someone who fits this list, tag them. Let's celebrate the legends who refuse to grow old. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.